I just created a Hollywood-level full cyberpunk animated movie using only one AI tool. From topic to script to character design to visuals to storyboard to voiceover to a complete final video, all inside the same platform without switching a single tab. And many YouTube creators are already gaining millions of views and thousands of subscribers by posting these animated cyberpunk movies and trailers and earning thousands of dollars every single month from this one niche alone. So, without making you wait any longer, let me show you the exact process step by step. Make sure you have subscribed right now because you do not want to miss this. Open the OIOI tool using the link in the description below. When the interface loads, you will see a lot of options to explore. But first, let me show you something quickly before we start. Click on Start Creating, and the new workspace opens. You can also start by uploading your own script, then click on Skills, and you will see so many different ready-made workflows right here. And when you click on Agents, you'll find the latest video and image models right here. And when you click on Styles, you can explore an entire library of visual styles and find the perfect one for your video. Here is the Cyberpunk style, which is exactly what we will be using today. But I am not choosing it just yet because I am building this from scratch, so you can see every single step of the process clearly. Now simply type this, generate 20 story topics for a cyberpunk movie, and hit the generate button. It takes you straight into a new workflow where the art director enters the chat and starts planning your topics automatically. In just a few moments, it provides you 20 theme ideas to choose from and then gives you two options, modify or pick a theme. I want to pick a theme, so I click on it. The art director instantly presents 20 fully fleshed out theme ideas. I am going with number 5, dream hacking. Now it asks you to choose some options for your movie. I choose long animation, horizontal aspect ratio, and English as the dialogue language. Click confirm and continue. Now it asks you to select emotion keywords for your story. I select conflict. And then the art director immediately invites the scriptwriter into the chat to begin writing the movie script. You can view the script at any point by clicking here. When it asks whether you want to modify or if you are satisfied, I click satisfied and the process moves forward automatically to character design. The character designer now enters the chat. It provides a style selection option, and this is where we select the cyberpunk style for our movie. Click on the style button and choose it. The character designer immediately begins the character design process. Wait just a few minutes and your characters will appear right inside the same workflow. I am fully satisfied with these, so I click satisfied and it starts generating the character avatars. When that is done, I click satisfied again and it moves forward. Now, the environment designer joins the chat to handle the scene design. It processes everything automatically, and after just a few minutes, the first scenes appear right inside the workflow. It asks if I am satisfied and want to continue to generate multiple views of the scenes. Yes, I am, so I confirm, and it generates multiple angle views for every environment. When those are ready, I click satisfied to move forward to the storyboard design. The environment designer now brings in the storyboard artist. It gives me some options to choose. I go with Seedance 2.0, Pro Full Strength, 720p, and Grid Image for the storyboard plan for maximum cinematic quality. Click confirm and continue. The storyboard artist begins generating the full storyboard for the movie. Wait a few minutes, and every storyboard image appears right inside the workflow. One by one, go through them and look at how realistic and cinematic these frames look. When you are satisfied, click to continue generating video prompts. In just a few minutes, it provides complete video prompts along with audio prompts and character dialogues for every single scene. Now it asks whether you want to generate one shot at a time or generate all video shots together. I click to generate all shots together. Hit confirm and the full video generation process begins. You can watch every scene being built in real time right inside the workflow. When all the video scenes are generated, OIOI automatically combines everything and presents you the final assembled video inside the workflow. Now it asks if you want to generate background music or download without music. I click to generate background music. The music appears right here and it asks if you want to combine it with the video shots. I click yes, generate the final video. And just like that, your complete cyberpunk animated movie with background music is sitting right here, ready to download. Click download and let's watch the result together.
Hold still, Simus. If your heart rate spikes, the neural lock will fry us both. They know. Kalen, Vanguard Corp knows I took the Genesis file. You have to get it out.
I'm bypassing the secondary firewall now. Just breathe. What makes this file so special anyway?
It's not corporate secrets, it's you.
Me? Vanguard doesn't even know I exist. I'm a ghost in the system, a rat in the walls.
Target acquired. Relieve him of the drive. Lethal force authorized.
You're bleeding on my floor, Kalen. And you brought Vanguard heat with you. I can hear their drones buzzing 3 blocks away.
I need you to crack this. Now. Silas died giving it to me.
Military-grade encryption. Black Ice protocols. If I plug this in and mess up, it'll melt my rig and our brains along with it.
Do it, Jax. Simus said it was about me.
Bypassing the outer shell. Wait, this isn't a data cache. It's a localized neural backup.
Play it.
Subject K7 is stable. Memory wash complete. Implanting false background narrative. Orphaned in the lower rebels. Cynical disposition. Anti-corporal bias. He will infiltrate the underground networks perfectly. He won't even know he belongs to us.
I am genuinely blown away by this. The result is way above my expectations. What Oyoi just did in this workflow, the character design, scene design, storyboarding, video generation, voiceover, and music would take a full animation team days to complete manually. And this is just one part of what this tool can do. When you click on the skills button, so many ready-made workflows appear right in front of you. You can choose whatever you want to create. For example, I want to recreate the viral football video trend. I simply select that skill, upload a clear photo, and hit enter. The art director starts planning immediately. I click next, choose the scene I want to appear in, select English and horizontal format, and it provides a complete ready-to-use script. I click confirm script. I choose to generate character sheets first, and in just a few minutes, the character appears right inside the workflow. Then I click confirm characters, click to start generation, hit confirm, and the video is ready in minutes. Download and watch.
Wait, who is that? A bearded man in a black jersey has just jumped onto the pitch and is standing in the goal. The save is complete on the line. This striker shoots. Look at this, unbelievable. The referee is looking. Wait, he's spinning. He's blushing. Yes, every blow to the red is the whistling. Goes successful save. Incredible. He lifts the World Cup trophy. He is the champion of the world.
That is how fast this works. Now here's how to get started for free. When you sign up for the very first time, you get 200 credits instantly, and you also get 60 free credits every single day just for being a member. Then simply click on redeem code, enter my code, and you get an extra 100 credits completely free just for using it. The tool link and my exclusive code are both in the description below. Go grab your free credits right now and start making your first Cyberpunk movie today.